Hi everyone, this is a basic tutorial on how to make a single crochet. To begin, let's make a slip knot. And then let's make a few chains. Let's do 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To make a single crochet, you would normally have to insert your hook into one of the stitches depending on the pattern. Grab the yarn and pull it through until you have 2 loops left on your hook. From there, you would yarn over and then pull through both loops. So that's a single crochet, and you can do that in various patterns. For example, here is a coaster that I made. This entire row around the edge is a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, again, you would insert the hook into one of the stitches, in this case one of the chains, grab the yarn, pull it through until you have 2 loops on the hook, and again yarn over, grab the yarn, and then pull through both. So that is your single crochet, and we can practice that a few times into each one of these chains. Let's do that. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, and again in the next one. And there, this is how you make a single crochet. So in this case, we did the single crochets in one row. In the case of the coaster, I went all the way around the entire pattern with a single crochet. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in learning the double crochet, triple crochet stitches, please take a look at this playlist that is linked in the description of the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.